Okay. Yeah, we in Montreal, we in the old port, and now we do it for y'all. We do it for the Lord. I come against anyone who come against Him. I come against all those who wanna live in sin. We preach the gospel. We ring it true. We do what Jesus always commands us to do. It doesn't matter how many people you could bring. But in the end, Jesus is the only thing that matters, that lasts. Everything shall pass away, but His word shall never pass away. We keep it straight and narrow. It doesn't matter if you bring some real barrels, all types of things. Because this is why.
Are the guys that's been asking me how they are doing. They're gonna express themselves.
Hello, family of Burundi. We miss you guys so much. We want to thank you guys once again for being there with us and welcoming us with open arms. And we're thinking about you. We're praying for you, and we hope to see you very soon.
God bless you all. We miss you guys, like they said. As you can see, we're back in Montreal. We're together. We're here celebrating for one of our brothers, and who just a brother and sister who just got engaged tonight. So we're celebrating that union, so that their marriage will be blessed. And we miss you guys. We hope everyone is doing well. We miss Burundi. We miss all of you. I pray that God will continue to bless you and do wonderful things in your country and in your churches. And we hope to see you soon. God bless you.
God bless you. God bless you. Happy New Year.
Yes. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hallelujah.